Will you travel next year?
Yes, I am planning a trip.
Are you studying for the test?
Yes, I have been studying all week.
Did they complete the project?
Yes, they completed it yesterday.
Will she start a new job soon?
Yes, she starts next month.
Are you going to help me?
Yes, I will help you.
Did you wash the dishes?
Yes, I washed them after dinner.
Will they build a new house?
Yes, they will start next year.
Are you going to the gym later?
Yes, I will go after work.
Did you call the doctor?
Yes, I called this morning.
Will you be home by 6 p.m.?
Yes, I will be home by then.
Are they arriving tonight?
Yes, they will be here around 8 p.m.
Did she organize the files?
Yes, she organized them yesterday.
Will you work this weekend?
No, I have the weekend off.
Are you watching the game?
Yes, I am watching it now.
Did they enjoy the trip?
Yes, they had a great time.
Will she bring the cake?
Yes, she is bringing it.
Are you going to study tonight?
Yes, I will study after dinner.
Did he get a promotion?
Yes, he got promoted last month.
Will you help me move?
Yes, I will help you on Saturday.
Are you taking a vacation soon?
Yes, I am going next month.
Did you return the book?
Yes, I returned it yesterday.
Will they paint the fence?
Yes, they will paint it this weekend.
Are you going to cook tonight?
Yes, I will make pasta.
Did she send the package?
Yes, she sent it yesterday.
Will you attend the wedding?
Yes, I will be there.
Are they selling their house?
Yes, they are putting it on the market.
Did you meet with your boss?
Yes, I had a meeting this morning.
Will you visit your family?
Yes, I will visit them next month.
Are you planning to move?
Yes, I am thinking about it.
Did they fix the leak?
Yes, they fixed it yesterday.
Will you join the club?
Yes, I will sign up.
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I will go.
Did you buy the groceries?
Yes, I bought them yesterday.
Will she work tomorrow?
Yes, she will be working.
Are you learning a new skill?
Yes, I am learning to play guitar.
Did they win the game?
Yes, they won last night.
Will you bake a cake?
Yes, I will bake one tomorrow.
Are you watching the movie?
Yes, I am watching it now.
Did you clean the kitchen?
Yes, I cleaned it this morning.
Will you study tomorrow?
Yes, I will study in the morning.
Are they arriving tomorrow?
Yes, they will arrive in the afternoon.
Did she pass the test?
Yes, she passed with flying colors.
Will you take a break?
Yes, I will take one soon.
Are you going to the meeting?
Yes, I will be there.
Did you walk the dog?
Yes, I walked in this morning.
Will they finish on time?
Yes, they will finish by the deadline.
Are you planning to travel?
Yes, I am planning a trip soon.
Did he repair the car?
Yes, he fixed it.
Did you finish the book?
Yes, I finished it last night.
Will you come to the party tomorrow?
Yes, I will be there.
Are you going to the store later?
Yes, I am going in an hour.
Did you call your friend?
No, I forgot to call him.
Will you need help with that?
No, I can handle it.
Do you walk to work every day?
Yes, I walk every morning.
Did you watch the movie last night?
Yes, I watched it with my family.
Are you going to finish the report today?
Yes, I am working on it now.
Will they arrive by noon?
Yes, they will be here by then.
Did she send the email yesterday?
Yes, she sent it before noon.
Are you planning to study tonight?
Yes, I will study after dinner.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
No, I skipped it today.
Will you buy the tickets tomorrow?
Yes, I will buy them in the morning.
Are they coming to the meeting?
Yes, they are coming.
Did he finish his homework?
Yes, he finished it before dinner.
Will you travel next month?
Yes, I will visit my parents.
Are you cooking dinner now?
Yes, I am making pasta.
Did they clean the house?
Yes, they cleaned it yesterday.
Will she join us for lunch?
Yes, she will meet us at noon.
Are you going to watch TV later?
Yes, I plan to watch a show.
Did you hear the news?
Yes, I heard it this morning.
Will they start the project soon?
Yes, they will start next week.
Are you working tomorrow?
No, I have the day off.
Did he buy the groceries?
Yes, he bought them earlier.
Will you finish the painting?
Yes, I will finish it this weekend.
Are they going to move next year?
Yes, they are moving in June.
Did you see the new movie?
No, I haven't seen it yet.
Will she call you later?
Yes, she will call me after work.
Are you meeting them at the park?
Yes, we are meeting at 4 p.m.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned it this morning.
Will you drive to work tomorrow?
No, I will take the bus.
Are they visiting us this weekend?
Yes, they are coming on Saturday.
Did she bake the cake?
Yes, she baked it yesterday.
Will you finish your project on time?
Yes, I will finish it by Friday.
Are you going to call her tonight?
Yes, I will call her after dinner.
Did he find his keys?
No, he is still looking for them.
Will you attend the meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I will be there.
Are you planning to visit them?
Yes, I will visit them next week.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I watered them this morning.
Will she help with the project?
Yes, she will help us tomorrow.
Are they leaving soon?
Yes, they are leaving in 10 minutes.
Did you write the letter?
Yes, I wrote it yesterday.
Will you join us for dinner?
Yes, I would love to.
Are you learning Spanish?
Yes, I am taking a class.
Did they arrive safely?
Yes, they arrived last night.
Will you fix the car this weekend?
Yes, I will take care of it.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, I have no plans.
Did he find a new job?
Yes, he started last week.
Will you paint the house?
Yes, I will paint it in the summer.
Are they going to sell the car?
Yes, they are selling it next month.
Did you finish your chores?
Yes, I finished them this morning.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!